Millions of years ago, the lion was the only animal who had a tail. One day he thought, why am I the only one with a tail? All the animals should have tails too. So he got tails made for all the animals. The excited animals went to get their tails, but someone did not go. It was the daisy. He felt too lazy to go and get its tail. So he said to the monkey, as you are already going my tail too, the lion has selected a nice long tail for the tassie. The monkey liked the tail so much that he attached that tail on his own. He danced around and shot off the tail to the daisy. The daisy could do nothing. Furthermore, he felt too lazy to pursue the monkey, so he did not get his tail back. No wonder he remains tailless to this day.